sous vide your pork chop while you at work, y'all. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, we're gonna sous vide these pork chops for 8 hours at 140 degrees. Now hey, as you can see, I already seasoned these pork chops earlier and I froze them. So we simply just gonna throw them in the sous vide machine, y'all, and go to work. But anyway, y'all, don't forget, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, y'all. Alright, you made it home from work. We get these bad boys out. So yeah, guys, after we pat them dry, only thing left to do, put this torch on it. Get that charred exterior that we love. Oh yeah, guys, make it simple, quick. Hey, you cook these while you was at work, y'all. Now say you want some mashed potatoes with this, you can cut your mashed potatoes up in about 1/2-inch cubes and throw them in there with these pork chops. And you got mashed potatoes too. Everything ready when you get home. So this is our finished pork chop. I just made a little Spanish rice to go for the side. And hey, my dinner is done in less than 10-15 minutes. So check the inside of this pork chop out. Oh yeah, guys, cutting like butter, y'all. Hey, it's good, it's juicy. I'm telling you, try this. Easy. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.